So when you buy DJ equipment, what are some of the things that you think about? Are you thinking about price? Are you thinking about functionality? Are you thinking about quality? I'm curious because we all have different objectives. I think what a lot of people do is they'll take a chunk of money and say, okay, I need to buy equipment and this is the chunk of money I have allocated towards it. But what a lot of people don't do is consider how much things just cost in general. It's kind of like saying, okay, I want to buy a brand new car and I want to spend $10,000 on it. Good luck finding a brand new car for $10,000. They're just not available. It's an unrealistic budget for any car. And even if you could find something at 10 grand, it's probably not a very good car. I mean, we're talking brand new here, not used. Used, you can get all kinds of neat stuff for 10 grand. So if that's your budget, maybe that's how you have to go, is used. But yeah, we all have different objectives and none of them are wrong particularly. They're just different. I have my own. For instance, I want to make sure that the things I have are lightweight and portable so I can actually carry them. I also need to have really good sound quality because I don't want to cause more pain than pleasure to my audience. I don't want their ears to bleed or them to feel any discomfort, whether they're on the dance floor or they're in conversation areas. So when I select speakers and mixing boards and even programs, those are the things that I think about. When it comes to lighting, I like things that are effective. I also like things that are easy to control, easy to set up, and don't cause any visual discomfort to the audience. So what I don't want to do is shine lights in anybody's eyes. This is something that it took me a long time to, I guess, understand, because I see a lot of systems where people are shining lights right at an audience and it's kind of blinding them. It looks great from the DJ's perspective, but when you walk out into the crowd, it looks like there are cars coming at them in traffic. It's just blinding. So if people aren't looking at you, it doesn't mean you're ugly. Maybe it means that your light show is painful to the audience. Looks great to you, but maybe not to the audience. And I try to put together realistic budgets for all of this. And the way I approach it is, I'll say to myself, I need lightweight, portable, and good sound quality. Then I look at what is out there that fits that bill and how much it costs. And then I establish budget. But, everybody does things their own way. Sometimes we're looking for something real specific, like a battery-powered speaker. There are options out there. There are options that are $1,600. There are options that are closer to $230. The quality is going to vary. But what do you need? How often are you going to use it? Are you going to be able to make this work for your application as far as sound quality goes? Functionality, portability, can you set it up? Is it something that has problems or known problems? Is it something with a steep learning curve? That's something else. I don't like using anything that has a learning curve that I'm not comfortable with, because I'm not a tech guy. I'm more of an artist, if you haven't noticed. I know some people think I'm the lighting guy, but I'm totally the music guy. I like to do projects. I like to create things, but I'm not a tech dude. It doesn't turn me on. I know people who are, and there are DJs out there who are very techy, and they just breeze through this stuff. It's no problem for them to step into a piece of equipment with a steep learning curve. I'm just not that guy. I like the shallow learning curves, the easy stuff. Plug and play, hard to screw up. That's what I like. And stuff that I actually need. I'm not a toy guy. I don't just get things to get things. When I get things, there's a reason I get them. Well, sometimes it's for demos for you guys. It's not really for me, but I can see how somebody might like it, so I demo it for you. But when it's for my personal rig, yeah, I'm not picking up things that are unnecessary or don't really enhance the experience either for me or the audience. So, I don't know, just some thoughts on that. What do you think about when you buy equipment? What are some of your objectives? Are you budget first and then equipment, or are you equipment first, then you establish a budget? And what are the things that are important to you? Maybe it's just money, but maybe it's something else. What's important to you? Let us know in the comment section. That's it. Stay tuned for more videos tonight. We'll see you soon. Practice and enjoy.